Hey there, Bodacious Bros first product review, the Cabela's Woman's Turkey Vest. And we've got Bodacious Brit here that's going to go through the pack and all the great features that it has for turkey hunting.
Alrighty then. Lots of packets. Slate call goes in here. Here. Raisins. Snacks for the road. Put all your shells in here. Here we got our fancy, let me get this out, sander clip. Necessities. This is for your back calls, or like I like to bring with me thermosol, because in New York, lots of bugs. I bet you could fit a nice Miller in there if you want to. What else we got here? Zipper packets. Very spacious for gloves. My face mask. My expired hunting license. Trinkets for the kids. It's light, it's comfortable. Nice thick cushion in case you don't got a butt. Just kidding. Got that.
That's a wrap on our review of the Cabela's Woman's Turkey Hunting Vest. Let's see if we can fill that back bag with a gobbler. Thanks, Brett.